Recently, Paul Kagame has been elected for the fourth time as president of which country? Rwanda. What is celebrated on the 18th of July? Nelson Mandela International Day. What is the theme for Mandela Day 2024? Combating poverty and inequality is in our hands. Where is the Hela festival celebrated? Popular in the Uttarakhand's Kumaon region. Recently, the Serum Institute of India and Oxford University have launched a high-efficacy malaria vaccine, R21, Matrix M, in which country? Ivory Coast. On which day does Hela fall according to the Hindu lunisolar calendar? The first day of Shravan Mas. What is the primary purpose of the NERACE web portal, recently launched in Shillong? To connect the farming community and buyers in the northeastern region. What is the main goal of the Asmita projects? To develop 22,000 books in Indian languages within 5 years. Recently, the External Affairs Minister Sir Jaishankar inaugurated Maitri Udyan as a symbol of friendship in which country? Mauritius. Who has been appointed as the co-chair of the Alliance of CEO Climate Leaders? Sumant Sinha. Recently, where was the Asia's first health research-related preclinical network facility inaugurated? Faridabad, Haryana. What is the duration of ICAR's One Scientist One Product program? 5 years. Who is the author of the novel The Prisoner of Bhopal? Tim Walker. Recently, where was the Asia's first health research-related preclinical network facility inaugurated? Faridabad, Haryana. What is the theme of THINQ 2024 launched by Indian Navy? Viksit Bharat. Who won the Pioneer of 2024 awards? Greta Gerwig. Recently, which state has announced to give 10% reservation to Agniveers in police recruitment? Haryana. Who inaugurated the India-Mauritius Friendship Garden in Port Louis? External Affairs Minister Dr. Sir Jaishankar. In which state, Ladka Bhau scheme has been started recently? Maharashtra. Recently, Kirti initiative which was in news is an initiative of which ministry? Sports Ministry. Which Indian won bronze medal in World Junior Squash Championship 2024? Shaurya Bawa. Who has been appointed by HSBC Holdings plc as its next CEO? Georges Elhedery. Who has been appointed by HSBC Holdings plc as its next CEO? Georges Elhedery. Bhojshala complex is located in which place of Madhya Pradesh? Dhar. Who won gold medal at the 35th International Biology Olympiad held in Astana, Kazakhstan? Vedant Sakre. Who has been re-elected President of the European Union Parliament? Roberta Metsola. Thomas Muller recently retired from international football. He is a player of which country? Germany's. On which date International Day of Criminal Justice 2024 celebrated? July 17. Which European countries recently launched an initiative to develop long-range cruise missiles with a range beyond 500 kilometers? Poland, Germany, France, and Italy. Recently, which state government has successfully integrated its eSwasthya Dham portal with the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? Uttarakhand. Recently, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar inaugurated India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in which country? Mauritius. Which state government recently launched Ladka Bhaav Yojana to provide job training and stipends for young men? Maharashtra. Operation Nanhe Farishte, recently seen in the news, is related to which organization? Railway Protection Force. Which organization recently received the Scotch Gold Award for successful implementation of the Samast project? BSPTCL Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited. The book Wings to Our Hopes Volume 1 is a compilation of selected speeches by President Draupadi Murmu. Recently, what IGST rate did the government announce on aircraft and aircraft engine parts? Uniform 5% tax for AC route all states. Where is the Kataragama Esala festival celebrated annually? Sri Lanka. What is the Chandipura virus in Gujarat and how it spreads? The Chandipura infection is an encephalitis-causing virus, which means the infection leads to an inflammation or swelling of the brain tissue. It is transmitted by sandflies and mosquitoes, including Aedes aegypti, which is also a vector for dengue.